Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok drafts missing problem. So if your TikTok draft suddenly disappeared, just follow along. First, make sure you're logged into the same TikTok account. Draft are saved inside your account, so if you switch accounts, they won't show up. Next, you should make sure you did not uninstall TikTok because if you delete the app, your drafts usually get deleted too. After that, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap on the draft section and then check it. If you still can't see them, restart your phone and reopen the app. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Also make sure TikTok is updated to the latest version. For that you need to go to App Store, search for TikTok and then tap on update if it's available. If nothing works, it's likely the drafts were not backed up into TikTok server, so they may not be recoverable. So that's how to fix TikTok drafts missing problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.